It's about Kareem and my job. We are get closer now, and I think it's time I tell him what I do for a living. I feel guilty every time I ruin him.
And you think that this piece of information will not only be something that he can deal with, but he's going to store it somewhere along with his secret recipes?
The relationship we have, I think him can able to keep the secret, especially if I sit down and talk to him about it.
Are you aware of the fact that there are many others like you who have partners who they have kept in the dark and continue to keep in the dark for the safety of the agency?
I understand, sir. It's just that
Miss Campbell, were you aware of all the facts surrounding your job title before you took it on?
yes, sir.
So what has changed?
Okay.
You realize the depth of what you have been requiring me to do? Let's go through it. Your family reunions, your mother, your brother. Now, you want me to recruit your man? I want you telling me now. Technically, he's part of us.
Thank you for hearing me out, sir. It's business as usual.
However, shut the door, please. Come. Have a seat. We are going to have to remind Kareem of his past and the technical nature of our knowledge of his past. It can probably work as long as he's aware of the consequences of his lips becoming too loose.
Are you saying I should threaten him, sir?
Threaten him? Of course not. The only thing you could threaten him with is to left him. But find the nicest way to remind him. Little things, you know, his past, his indiscretions. And how the whole time things are, you not talk, me not talk.
Okay, sir. I can do that. So, are you saying...
God help me, yes, I suppose so.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tonya,
Yes, sir.
you come here. I now have a full picture of what a cool going look like in this agency.
Come on, no, Pops.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that bad.
Really?
It's been bothering her for a while.
So now it's going to bother me.
Look at it this way.
Uh-huh.
You're doing a good deed.
Deed? You think I'm a Boy Scout?
I know that this, once you tell him, it will make her more comfortable. And I mean, it'll make her work much easier too. I mean,
You know this carry a price, right?
Pops, I know she's going to let him know in no uncertain manner that this cannot be neat.
And I need gungo rice and peas.
Come for dinner Sunday.
I'll take you up on that. But we might have another little problem.
What's that?
King. He went to visit Carlton Wallace.
Carlton Wallace?
Uh-huh.
What kind of business King would I have with Carlton?
There is a hillside development being contemplated. I think it started between Ratcliffe and Tony. I don't think King is very happy about it. So I believe he might be trying to use Carlton as weaponry against the two of them. King is becoming more of a politician than I hoped he would be.
And based on his dislike for Radcliffe, he's going to pull out all the stops to stop him.
It might be best that he come and pay me a visit before I am forced to pay him a visit at the penitentiary.
And I think I may have to pay Miss Jen a visit to find out exactly what happened when Radcliffe turned up while King was there.